Hey guys, so I'm sorry if this voiceover sounds like shit. I'm just going to tell you right now because I suck at voiceovers. Also, I'm eating. So anyway, for my eyebrows, I'm using Kylie, the Kybrow pomade gel. This is in the color Ebony. And usually when I go over that, I just use like powder or whatever. But comment down below how many of y'all are like quarantined, like if you're like town or like even the whole state is like in quarantine. But I'm quarantined right now, staying at home. I got nothing to do, so you guys are probably gonna see a lot more creative videos because I need to do, like, I love doing the readings, and I will do more readings, but like I gotta have fun. I gotta do stuff I love, which I love doing readings, but makeup is my thing. So I'm gonna do some more fun stuff. Plus a lot of you guys like requested it anyway. But yeah, first thing I do is my brows, and pretty much I just put pomade, and then I do use a powder over it just to like set the brow, and then I clean it up with a eyeshadow base. Now with this I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base, and I absolutely hate this fucking product, so don't buy it. It's streaky as fuck. It doesn't matter if I use my finger, it doesn't matter if I use my brush. When I try to blend it out, it's streaky as fuck, and I absolutely hate it. So I just use it because I bought it and I'm cheap and I'm gonna use it. So what the fuck ever. But yeah, I just put that over my eye because it's like a good base, but spreading it is like hell. So I can't stand it. Also, excuse my nails. Like, I'm not able to go get my nails done, obviously, because I can't leave the house. But yeah, I'm gonna do my own nails. So if you guys want a video on that, definitely comment down below, because I do know how to do my own nails. And I have the supplies, so I might do a video on how I do my nails, like how to do acrylics and shit like that. So yeah, I'm not like I'm good at it, kind of, sort of, but like I'm not like a super professional, so don't judge me if my nail video is like shit. But anyway, it works and my nails be cute. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting on some Makeup Revolution on my eyes. After I put on the what the fuck is it called, the eyeshadow base, I put on a layer of translucent powder just to like, because I feel like your eyeshadows blend a lot easier when you put on the translucent powder. Also right now I'm just putting on from the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. This color is called What's the Tea. I put that on my crease and a little bit higher. So, and then on the lid I just put this color, I think it's called Monarchy, in the Bloodlust new palette by Jeffree Star. So now I'm going to go in with my highlighter. When I highlight under my brows, I use the Kylie Salted Caramel, what y'all say. So anyway, underneath my eyebrow, just because it's cute and it's a good color. So underneath my eyes, I just put like a black eyeliner for the under eye, and then on the top I use the Tarte. The Tarte is like, I think it's just the Duo, because it has like at the bottom of it has like a under eye eyeliner, and then at the top it has a liquid eyeliner. They use it on that bottom and the top of my eyes. Yeah, I put tape on my eyes because like I suck at my eyeliner, so I just put tape there so it like turns out perfect every time. Just make sure your tapes are like matching up, because otherwise you'll look crazy as fuck. So I just use any cheap ass mascara because I put on fake lashes, so I really don't care like about the most quality mascara. So yeah, I'm just popping on some lashes. A lot of people ask where I get my lashes at. I get them on Amazon. Like, they're cheap as fuck, but I don't know where the fuck they come from, but I'll try to find the fucking name of it. It starts with an M. That's all I know. It starts with an M. But I fucking just get them off Amazon. Just look up mink lashes on Amazon. You'll probably find them. They're just like any whatever lashes, but they're really good, so I'm glad I found this company, I guess. But for foundation, I use two foundations. The first foundation I use is the Face Tape in Rich Sand, and I put that like everywhere but my T-zone. And then in my T-zone I use the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation in the color 9.75. So I just put that in my T-zone because I feel like I use that because in my T-zone I get a lot of oil, so I definitely use the All Nighter foundation because it's really good and it lasts all day. And I would use it all over my face, but like I use like 8 different colors when it comes to finding my foundation color, and then like I highlight and do all that. So I like to use 2-color foundation anyway, but I really like the All Nighter shit. It's really good. So yeah, for contour I use the Anastasia stick foundation, and I do not know I think it's in the color, fuck, you know what, I'm gonna just go get it real quick because I'm in the same room. That's what the fuck it's in the color Earth. So yeah, that's what color I use to contour my face. And I was going to use it, I have this in a couple colors because I was going to use it as a foundation, and honestly I hate it as a foundation, but I love it as a contour. So underneath my eyes I'm using the Face Tape concealer. I actually use two concealers. The first one I use is the Face Tape, or the Face Shape, whatever the fuck, and put that underneath my eyes and everywhere that I highlight. And then usually after this I use another highlighter. The one I usually use is the Jeffree Star Magic Star concealer, but I'm running out of that, and I do not know if like the mail is running right now due to whatever's happening in the world, all that crazy shit. So I don't know if they're delivering, so I'm not going to order more right now just in case like it doesn't, they're not shipping it. I have no idea. So what I'm going to use is my Kylie, because I have like a couple of Kylie concealers and I like them, but they're not as good as the Jeffree Star the Jeffree Star Magic Star. So I'm just using this for now because I don't want to run out of my Jeffree Star shit. So yeah, I just put that in. I put like an extra one underneath my eye because I like it to be very bright. Also, I be looking tired as fuck, so I like to put a hella concealer underneath there. But to set that, I use the Kylie loose powder. This is in the darkest color. She has three colors: translucent, some shit, and another shit. So I think I use the darkest one. So yeah, I don't remember what the fuck it's called, but it's good shit. I know that it's actually a really good translucent powder, or like a really good loose powder, because I usually don't use loose powders, but I really like this one. So all over my face I'm using the Tarte pressed powder, just because I have very oily skin. I like to set in my foundation, and after a while it will start to get oily. And underneath I use that same powder, but I use it in a lighter color. So what I use to set my contour, I use it's actually a Makeup Forever fucking, what's it called, eyeshadow. And it's just like, I'm probably gonna run out of it because I've had it for years, and like you're not even supposed to keep makeup for years, but I'm like, whatever, it still works, and I probably ain't gonna buy it again because it probably doesn't exist. But it's really good. It's just an eyeshadow, just a brown eyeshadow. It works really good for my setting contour. But yeah, after I'm done with everything, I like to just pretty much touch up anything that may have got like fucked up with the powder. So I just put on my bottom eyeliner, my top eyeliner if it needs it, and I just kind of like fill in my brows a little bit because we did put on a lot of powder and it could like make them fade a little bit. So just try to touch that up with a Kylie just an eyebrow pencil. So what I do is I like to spray my face and then I put on my highlighter, and I just use the same highlighter, the Kylie Salted Caramel highlighter, and then I put on my setting spray. Which the setting spray I usually I'm currently using right now is the Morphe setting spray, the one with the continuous spray or what the fuck ever. But I always use that. It's really good. So pretty much I just do that, and I put on my lips right now. I have on the it's like the Too Faced lip injection shit. I don't know if it works. I think it works, but I think how it works is like my lips be burning like a motherfucker when I put that shit on. So I'm like, it probably just burns your lips swell up, and then they look bigger. So I'm because it works, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So I don't really know if I recommend that product because it does work, but I'm not gonna lie, it burns a lot. So whatever, use it at your own risk, I guess. But pretty much just put my hair in two little like ponytails. I use just like regular rubber bands, like little black rubber bands, to put my hair up in these little ponytails. Make sure they're even, because it took me a second to like get them even, because I'm like retarded, so I can't fucking get them even on the first time. And then I just touch up and straighten my hair. And right now I'm just putting on the Kylie Clear lip gloss. I use a lot of Kylie products. I really like her products. I don't know if it's just because the packaging is pink and pink is my favorite color. Maybe I'm just like extra drawn to it, but they're actually pretty good products. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks too much for watching. Mwah.